In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 must-have car and truck accessories from Amazon to make your outdoor adventures easier, safer, and way more fun. From portable battery packs to solar-powered gadgets and wireless must-haves, we've got you covered. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump into our list.
Has suction so it can stick to the windshield or to my dash, and that thing is secure. It doesn't go anywhere. If I hit any bumps, it's just perfect because I need it to be there to be safe. I can lock these long articulating arms in place so my phone is up and out of my field of view for GPS. I like that a lot. Now I can put this in any position that I want, and no matter what, it doesn't move. The actual phone base is huge and it can fit any size phone, and it has these rubber sides to keep everything in place. I'm going to be using this for many road trips to come. You should check it.
Top 8. Top 7. Top 6. Top 4. Top 3. Top 2.
Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.